Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting match between Manchester City and Crystal Palace. Why I say interesting, I tell you in a bit. That this match will be played Saturday, 27th of August, 3 p.m. start. And the reason why I said this match will be interesting because Crystal Palace is one of the team which Manchester City failed to beat in during the last season. Although they won the title, but still one of the team to beat for the City is Crystal Palace. They have lost one and draw one, so it will be interesting contest between uh, two teams. As we know, Manchester City is the defending champion for this one, and Crystal Palace performance is not so good. But Crystal Palace, as we know, is supervised by Patrick Vieira, French international. Who don't know about him, he is one of the main force again to improving Crystal Palace performance over the during his supervision period. And also, as we see, after winning the first two matches, Manchester City was very much in defending position against Newcastle United last week when they were 3-1 down at one stage, but managed to pull a draw and then save a point for themselves. Although they lost 2 points in the match because they could not win the game. At the moment, Manchester City is second and Crystal Palace is on ninth after three matches. They have one is draw against Liverpool and 3-1 victory against us, Aston Villa at home. So, and their main star player is Wilfred Zaha, who scored good against Manchester City. So it will be a good contest to watch. As we know that after that performance against Newcastle, Manchester City has played a charity match where their star players um, Alvarez and Cole Palmer and also Riyad Mahrez, they have scored. In fact, Riyad has scored the equalizer in the 99th minute. So we have big guns on firing line, and what we can see later on and during the match, it will be a should be a good match. As I said a few times before, is a Premier League is a championship is a tournament where we cannot take any team light or anything. So we have yet to see. And as I said, Crystal Palace is the team to beat for City. Even in the last 52 games at home, Crystal Palace is for Manchester City. Crystal Palace is one of the team they beat them. So we are expecting a match which could be a trendsetter for future coming games. At keeping up the current performance, what has been happening so far in the league, I can predict a winner for Manchester City. But again, that's my prediction. I don't want anybody to gamble on my prediction, but I can say 3-1. My prediction will be 3-1 Manchester City, and could be 2-1 as well. Could be any score, but I'm very confident that after the end of the match, City will leave as a winner, and their dream to beat Crystal Palace will come true, as they did not beat them during the last season. So it will be a good thing to watch. So having said that, I would say thank you very much and hope to see you in the next video.